I'll do a burnout in the garage.
Okay, I'm gonna start it off by showing you guys how fast I can do this little progression with my fingers. I'm gonna do this. Ready?
That's insane. I tried to do that the other night, and I'm like a hundredth of the speed.
It's not sped up. I promise you, it's not sped up. Okay, that's it. Thank you. It's already way too hot in Texas to be dealing with pants, boys. So what's on the agenda part 1? We're going to Ethan's shop today. We need to get the trailer. I'm bringing the not yet the LSC. I'm bringing the 350Z back here. Now, because I have a lift, a cherry picker, and literally everything I need, I'm gonna be taking the engine out here. I'm gonna be doing a bunch of stuff, a bunch of prep work, and then once it's time to actually do the swap itself, we're gonna go back to Trackstar and do that. But we gotta grab the trailer, we gotta grab the block, we gotta drop the block off to get to the machine shop. We got a bunch of stuff to do today. I'd bring Trailer Tom along with us, but we got a lot going on.
2 hours later.
Oh, yeah. Ethan is an amazing tuner. Make sure you guys hit up Trackstar if you guys need a tune. Ethan's a freaking wizard. And he makes my car go pop, pop, pop. Well, boys, we're back with the LS1. Last time you saw it, it was mostly disassembled, and now it is fully disassembled. We have no pistons, no crank, no cam, no nothing on this. It is literally just the block. So today I'm coming here to actually get the 350Z and take it home, but I need to also grab the block and take it to a machine shop. They are going to be replacing the main cam bearings, and then also they're gonna go ahead and do some micro polishing on the crankshaft for us as well. Gonna grab this, somehow get it into my car. Are they pretty heavy? I'm assuming that's probably pretty damn heavy. Okay, we'll get into the car. So this was supposed to go to Cody with his GT350, but he's not here right now. So Cody, here's your Firefly Supply shirt. I got it just for you. This is the last one we had in stock. It's been a little bit, buddy. Do you even work anymore? Does this thing even start? Oh yeah, she's got battery. Oh, barely, but we did it. For one, this is one of the last times you'll hear this car quiet. Here two, it's one of the last times you'll hear this car with a V6. I'm so excited. Last video, like, because of my past experiences, I get quick to be defensive about when I do stuff like this because I know that I'm going to get reamed from, honestly, opinions that don't matter. But I actually am so excited about doing this. So freaking psyched. Hey, who cares? Send it. Pretty good.
Do a handstand. Kick the mirror.
Perfection.
Glad it's not raining today.
Oh, that's heavy. Woo! I'm alive, baby. There's some American horses in this bit. Trailer Tom just came out. I just man-strength this all around the side of the building. I'm pretty psyched for myself. So we got the LS1 block. We've got the crankshaft. I'm gonna have them, like I said, do a little polish on that. And yeah, gonna make the back of the Tahoe get a little dirty for once. All right, time to go home. Okay, so after spending almost actually almost 4 hours in a car today, we're home, and I need to clear some space for the trailer drill to get in here. The Z is gonna be here for a little while, and I'll explain to you guys a little bit about what we're gonna be doing. All right, let's see what part of Fast and Furious we're on. Oh, how are you doing today, my bride?
You still on the Sparko steering wheel?
Oh, he saw the Sparko steering wheel. He's like, oh, dude, that's mine, bro. You trying to check out my car? That's a good part. I love that part. It's so good. Dude, this car sounds good without a muffler on it. about that clutch? Woo! Oh, he's got poop. This is what a VQ sounds like when you put a hole in the exhaust because you drift with a broken coilover and you squat so hard you put a hole in your muffler.
Don't do a burnout in the garage. Oh my god.
LS swap time. So, she's home.
Good.
She's home. It's time to get her LS swapped. First things we're going to be doing is we're removing the motor, and the next things we're going to be doing is putting the motor in. Not JK. So the reason why I took it home and I didn't leave it at Ethan's is that one, Ethan's pretty busy, but two, I was like, well, I have some pretty meticulous things that I want to do to the car. I don't want it. So Ethan's shop is like an hour without traffic. Hour away from my house, hour there, hour back. And I'm like, well, you know what I can do, since I already have to go out there to get the LS anyways, I could just pick up the Z and pull out the motor myself. So BendPak provided us with not only the lift and the compressor that's back there that's about to be finally hooked up, and also a cherry picker. So we have all of that ready to go. And because I have rebuilt this motor, I know pretty much exactly how it comes out. So the next episode you see will be us pulling this thing out. And what I'm gonna be doing after that is degreasing the whole engine bay, and I'm gonna be painting the whole engine bay a different color. I'll probably just do something simple, but we're gonna be doing that as well. I've gotta fix the coilovers in the back. I've gotta raise the car a little bit. So there's a bunch of little things I can do here, but really I just wanted the car here so I can remove the engine myself. And after that's done, get a few things polished up, make it look all nice, and then we're gonna go back to Trackstar so we can finish the swap, get it all buttoned together, and get it tuned. You guys have no idea how excited I am to be, I mean, honestly, you guys have no idea how grateful I am that I have a lift in my personal garage. The Z, for its first time, is going up in the air. Woohoo! We're about to make a mess. It might seem a little dumb, but one of the first things I want to do now that the car's here is see what the crazy green wheels will look like on the back. That's gonna be nutty. This is gonna be so easy, dude. I mean, look at this. So, trans bolts, I'll take that off. Super easy. Exhaust, super easy, no problem. Motor mounts, what about them? I just am so excited about this, guys. You have no idea. I've been waiting for so long to do a build or do something big, and this lift really enables me. And this is gonna be the first motor I'm gonna be able to pull all by myself, and I am psyched about that. Because honestly, like, you learn the most when you put yourself into a situation you're just completely uncomfortable with and you have no idea what's going on. That's when you learn the most. I wouldn't know how to drive stick if I didn't just buy a car that was sick and just teach myself and scare the crap out of myself driving off the lot. If you want to learn, put yourself in a situation that's not a classroom, but put yourself in a situation that forces you to learn. Anyways, she home. This thing needs a lot of love. So next video you see of this, we're gonna tear the whole thing apart and hopefully I'll have the motor out. I guess I sort of already gave you my daily advice, so I'll let that one slide. That was a pretty easy one, but put yourself into, if you wanna learn something, put yourself into a situation that forces you to learn. And be open-minded and believe in yourself. So.
I feel like he's talking about me when I hear that. I need to learn to stick so bad.
Yeah, you do. Thank you guys for watching. Very excited to get started on this. Very excited to be working with all these companies that I'm working with, and I'm very excited to have you guys be a part of my life. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I'll catch you guys next video. I got 2 videos for you, baby. 2 videos.
First one's the best. No, first is the worst. Second, actually, they're both good.
They're both good. Just watch both of the videos. If you already watched them, then that's fine. Just watch them again. Promise you they're good.